When it comes to safety, cutting corners is never an option. This seemingly simple piece of hardware, the genuine Global Lift seat belt and buckle, holds the line between a safe day and a serious incident. We often overlook the seat belt until we absolutely need it, but for specialized equipment, like the machinery this is designed for, reliability is absolutely paramount. What sets this apart immediately is that crucial designation, genuine Global Lift replacement part. You aren't dealing with a cheap universal fit here. This is engineered specifically to meet the original equipment, manufacturer's rigorous safety standards. That peace of mind alone is worth the investment. Holding it, the quality is immediately apparent. The buckle housing feels robust, utilizing heavy-duty plastic and metal where it counts for structural integrity. The webbing itself is thick, durable, and exactly what you expect from an OEM component designed for high-stress environments. The release mechanism is incredibly crisp. There's nothing worse than a sticky or unreliable buckle, especially in an emergency, but this one engages with a satisfying, solid asterisk click and releases smoothly with just the right amount of pressure on the red button. That smooth, instant operation is a huge performance win, confirming that the internal spring and latch mechanism are top tier. Installation, because it's a genuine replacement part, is generally straightforward. It's designed to match the mounting points perfectly, eliminating the guesswork and modification time that often plagues aftermarket alternatives. If you operate equipment where safety compliance is non-negotiable, investing in this genuine replacement isn't just smart, it's essential. It's the definition of a critical component done right, ensuring maximum security and longevity. This is the gold standard for reliable restraint systems.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.